Welcome to PMP certification course offered by Learn Easy. We hope you will enjoy the all lessons. I'm Chris and I'll be your video tutor. Welcome to Lesson 2, What is Project and Project Management? In this lesson, we're going to take a closer look at the introduction part, which is the first chapter in PM Book 5th edition. Before we do though, let's look back to what we have covered in the last introductory lesson, in which you were given a brief introduction about PMP exam preparation course and a taste of its test. Course agenda for PMP Training Chapter 2. This lesson is divided into 5 parts. What is a project? Characteristics of the project. What is project management? Project management process groups. Project constraints. What is a project? A project is temporary in that it has a defined beginning and end in time, and therefore defined scope and resources. And a project is unique in that it is not a routine operation, but a specific set of operations designed to accomplish a singular goal. So a project team often includes people who don't usually work together, sometimes from different organizations and across multiple geographies. And all must be expertly managed to deliver the on-time, on-budget results, learning and integration that organizations need. A project can be developing a new product, service, or result, constructing a building, or infrastructure, improving or enhancing existing business processes and procedures. At its essence, a project can be defined as temporary endeavor undertaken to create a unique product, service, or result. The development of software for an improved business process, the construction of a building or bridge, the relief effort after a natural disaster, the expansion of sales into a new geographic market, all are projects. Characteristics of a project. On the basis of the earlier discussed project definition, a project can be characterized by 2 key criteria: temporary and unique product, service or result. To elaborate further, let's start with the first criterion, which is temporary in nature, where every project has a definite beginning and end. What is meant by temporary does not necessarily refers to short project duration. It may refers to project's longevity and its engagement. It can be a just 5 days project or a project runs for 10 years. The second criterion is each project aims to produce unique outcomes. It can be a product, service or result. The project's outcomes might be tangible or intangible. The end of project can be met when, as I said before, a project has a definite start and finish. The end of it is achieved when all project's objectives have been met, or when the project is terminated as a result of its objectives cannot be achieved, or project need no longer exists. Relationships among portfolios, programs and projects. Let's compare it in the chart below with the definitions according to the 5th edition of the PM Book Guide of a program and a portfolio, which are larger units of management within an organization. Project, a temporary endeavor undertaken to create a unique product, service, or result. Program, a group of related projects, sub-programs, and program activities managed in a coordinated way to obtain benefits not available from managing them individually. Portfolio, projects, programs, sub-portfolios, and operations managed as a group to achieve strategic objectives. What is project management? Moving on to the project management, which is defined as the application of knowledge, skills, tools, and techniques for project activities to meet the project requirements. Project management processes fall into 5 groups: initiating, planning, executing, monitoring and controlling, closing. And project management knowledge draws on 10 areas: integration, scope, time, cost, quality, procurement, human resources, communications, risk management, stakeholder management. All management is concerned with these, of course. But project management brings a unique focus shaped by the goals, resources and schedule of each project. Project management process groups. Project management is achieved by applying and integrating 47 project management processes, which are mainly fall down into 5 major process groups. Project initiation. An idea for a project will be carefully examined to determine whether or not it benefits the organization. During this phase, a decision-making team will identify if the project can realistically be completed. Project definition and planning. A project plan, project charter or project scope may be put in writing, outlining the work to be performed. During this phase, a team should prioritize the project, calculate a budget and schedule, and determine what resources are needed. Project launch or execution. Resources tasks are distributed and teams are informed of responsibilities. This is a good time to bring up important project-related information. Project performance and control. Project managers will compare project status and progress to the actual plan, as resources perform the scheduled work. During this phase, project managers may need to adjust schedules or do what is necessary to keep the project on track. Project close. After project tasks are completed and the client has approved the outcome, an evaluation is necessary to highlight project success and or learn from project history. Projects and project management processes vary from industry to industry, however, these are more traditional elements of a project. The overarching goal is typically to offer a product, change a process or to solve a problem in order to benefit the organization. Project constraints. In this part we will look at 6 competing project constraints. According to PM Book 5th edition, project management involves the following competing project constraints: scope, quality, schedule, budget, resources, risk. Project constraints simply mean limiting factors or restrictions. It is important to balance these competing project constraints to successfully complete the project. The question that can be raised here: are there any project constraints rather than those 6 ones? The answer is yes. It is important to notice that there could be other project restrictions, for example customer satisfaction. Lesson summary. It's the end of lesson 2 of PMP exam preparation course, and I hope you're enjoying the course as much as we are. This session we have learned about: what is a project? Characteristics of the project. What is project management? Project management process groups. And project constraints. Next session we will be looking at relationships among portfolio, program, project and organizational project management. If you need help, try leaving your queries on support@learneasy.com. There will be a teaching assistant from LearnEasy staff to assist you at any time during the course. For more information, please visit our websites: www.learneasy.com. Well, that's all for today. I hope you like this video. Click the like button, share the awesomeness with your friends and folks, subscribe to LearnEasy, and press the bell icon so that you don't miss on some of the awesome videos we make for you. I will catch you soon with another great video. Till then, you stay just awesome. Happy learning.